I saw a really interesting YouTube video and it gave me an idea. And unfortunately, there was no code from that video available. So I wrote my own and I made it a GPL and I threw it on GitHub because why not? Uh, this is really simple. It's just stack detection of the direction of the stack's growth using a simple recursive function call. Now, you may think to yourself, what, Dwayne, recursion isn't simple. And to that, I say, you're wrong. Uh, it's actually really simply, very extremely simple. You just have to have the right context. And so the reason I've created this and put it online is because I wanted a simple tool that I could use to just throw it on any system I had and do one command to test and see what the actual growth path was. Because all I have to do is type make transient and boom, it spits out that information. The important thing here, really, really simple, is that command just does this. Make run, make clean. That's it. And make run just does clean, build, run. Pretty simple. Now, the end result of all this is that when it does the check, it's actually just checking for the initial stack value, in this case null, because we're starting from nothing. It's allocating a new value on the stack. And then, of course, if my initial is null, it's going to then use that as the new initial stack value, call itself again recursively. And then I'm just going to do some quick comparison of the address space, not the value, because remember, I'm not dereferencing these values. I'm just looking at the stack value itself. And so the end result is this is really, 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 really simple. I'm just taking this, I'm looking at the direction, and I'm outputting a simple up, down. That's it. But this is actually really useful for some types of programming. And I wanted a copy for myself. And most importantly, I wanted a copy for myself that I could control fully. So I just recreated it from scratch and built it myself.